Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we've got the XTU J9 Plus doorbell. So this is a 2K HD camera, 180 degree vision, PIR motion detection, clear night vision, weatherproof, full Doorbell, two-way audio, built-in rechargeable battery, and cloud storage, local storage. So this is a doorbell that needs no wires, no cords, no worries, and no subscription. So 100% wire free for easy placement anywhere, no cords or wiring, 2K video quality, live stream and watching recordings, head-to-toe view, 180 ultra-wide perspective, advanced PIR motion detection and night vision, detecting distance up to 10 meters. Supports two-way audio communication straight from the smartphone. Supports up to 128 gigabyte local storage via micro USB SD card, not included. And this also comes with a speaker as well for the comb. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So it comes in a nice handy sealed box, very nice and tidy, well presented. So we'll open the box and see what we've got inside. So we've got user manual, J9 Plus, instructions, get the app, install your doorbell, installing, and how to use your indoor chime, and that's a lot. We've got two stickers for warning. We've got a card from XTU, and then we've got the doorbell and the chime. So this is the doorbell. Power on, press 1 second, power off, press 5 seconds. It comes in a cradle. There's a button here to release the camera from the cradle, and it's also got a USB-C charger cable socket, and then we've got the chime, different chimes, settings. It does need 3 AAA batteries. And then we've got a bag of goodies. We've got a USB cable. We've got some sticky mounts. We've got some screws, some wall plugs. And then we've got the tape to tape on the 3 allocated spaces. So let's find how we set it up. There's also a pin here to release the doorbell from the socket. So releasing the doorbell, we press this in the bottom here. And then the doorbell attaches. So the case, we've got screws, holes for mounting, and we've also got the sticky pads. doorbell. We've got the setup code. Take off the stickies, and this one's for the camera. There we go. It's pretty nice, pretty solid unit, pretty heavy. We do need to keep this safe because we need to do that to take it to charge. So first things first is that we need to charge the doorbell before we can use it, but we need to download the app on the phone. So Morecam in the app stores, so this can be used on Apple and Android. So I'm going to download the app and set it up. So we take our phone, we scan the QR code, and it opens the link. And then we're ready to download the software. So the doorbell needs to be charged 8 to 10 hours until the charging LED is blue. So we need to stick this on charge. Installing the Morecam app. So we're setting up our app. So we set up the doorbell, we stuck it on our door, and now we're setting up the phone, and it shows signal is weak. It shows you can install the camera. So setting up the Chime, 3 batteries, and then we've got on and off button, choose our different chimes. Different volume, heights. And the good thing with this, as it's batteries, you can take it anywhere in the house. You could take it up to the bedroom, in the lounge, in the kitchen. Doesn't need to be mounted anywhere. It's just totally wire free. So we mounted the doorbell on the front of the house, and that's the view we've got down the road. And this is the phone set up. We've got screenshot, intercom, cloud, record, motion detection, and siren, and album. Click on the album, and this is what we've recorded. There we go, it's the delivery man coming. There we go. So if we look at the settings, pop up when receiving a message, play video in a small window, we go through settings, so there's an AI intelligent analysis, but this is a plan, AI Plus at $199 a month. So here we have the signal strength, the battery, cloud storage, AI analysis, alarm management, and then we've got our settings, sound settings, chime settings, general settings, 12-hour clock, preview timeout, pop-up reminder, work indicator, and there we go, chime settings, advanced service, so it goes with Amazon Echo and Google Chrome. There we go. So that's the XTU J9 Plus doorbell, and so far it's looking really good, really pleased with it. So we'll play about with the settings and see what else it does, and that'd be really great. So looking forward to using the doorbell other than the Ring doorbell, which is costing me a fortune with the new expensive rates that they've started to charge. So looking forward to using the XTU doorbell. So thanks for watching. New to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and we'll see some results from the doorbell. Cheers.